So let's not play games with each other. I've read the police reports. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So how often have you been using meth?
Today's case, someone is about to face a reckoning they never expected. Stay with us, because what's about to unfold will leave you stunned. And if you love authentic courtroom drama, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another unforgettable moment.
Well, I have been locked up. I've been clean for a while before that day.
All right, but you not clean.
All
right. So what caused you to use and why are you using?
I ended up with the whole crowd.
All right.
And just for that night.
All right. So here's the thing. Sometimes when you do drugs, the last time you use is the last time you use. I saw in the police report that you were talking and the police officers couldn't really understand what you were saying because they're saying you were not making sense. But if you have children, if you have a mother who's still alive or relatives who are still alive, you don't want them to have to figure out where you are. And they heard on the news that there's a lady who's dead on the side of the street and they give you your description and they have to come down and identify your body. You understand?
Yes.
And when you, all right, the court is calling 2023 CR 5136, State of Texas versus Yolanda Ann Perez. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Freddie Ramirez for the defense.
Are you Ms. Perez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge, yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Perez, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, ma'am, we're not. We would like to proceed under the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, PG1, less than 1 gram.
Any objection?
No objection.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
What you're about to hear next will completely shift the direction of this case. A single statement, and suddenly everything changes.
Ms. Perez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 100 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there being such motions?
No, Judge.
Then to the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1. How do you plead?
No
Guilty,
contest.
not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Your Honor, I submit State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, State, you may continue to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine
Yes,
and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
In this courtroom, it's not about emotions or excuses, it's about the facts. And those facts are about to speak louder than any words.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not at this time, Judge. Other than that, she does have 113 days already in Bear County.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 50.
So why are you doing this?
I don't know. I was the wrong place at the wrong time.
No, hiding drugs in your body cavity is not being at the wrong place at the wrong time. Maybe the drugs are in the wrong place at the wrong time, but you are not.
No, I actually really didn't have one, but.
Oh, you want a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
All right, so let's not play games with each other. I've read the police reports. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So how often have you been using meth?
Well, I have been locked up. I've been clean for a while before that day.
All right, but you not clean.
All
right.
Hey,
So what caused you to use and why are you using?
I ended up with the whole crowd.
All right.
And just for that night.
All right. So here's the thing. Sometimes when you do drugs, the last time you use is the last time you use. I saw in the police report that you were talking and the police officers couldn't really understand what you were saying because they're saying you were not making sense. But if you have children, if you have a mother who's still alive or relatives who are still alive, you don't want them to have to figure out where you are. And they heard on the news that there's a lady who's dead on the side of the street and they give you your description and they have to come down and identify your body. You understand?
Yes.
And when you use drugs, guess what? You're harming your body, you're harming your liver, you're harming your heart, and you're knocking years off your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will sentence you to 100 days in the Bear County Jail under 1244, give you credit for any time served, showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to make better choices. We're off the record. There are plenty of places in San Antonio where you can actually get help for your drug or alcohol problem, but they're not going to give it to you if you don't want it. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
You are.
If this case made you think, made you feel, or opened your eyes, we want to hear what you have to say. Join the conversation in the comments below. Your voice matters here. And if real courtroom moments, raw emotions, and powerful truths are your thing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you're always in the loop. Together, we uncover the realities many try to hide, not just for entertainment, but to remind the world that justice must always be seen and heard. Thank you for watching, and remember, every story we share brings us one step closer to the truth.